Yeah, hi children. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So today I have come up with a new concept of showing you the math tricks, which will be very much useful for your daily, like problem solving skills and all. So let us start. Okay. Yeah, here I have introduced the five tricks in maths. Like other five tricks, I'll be doing a one more video, which will be the good continuation of the same video. Okay, let us start. Yeah, here first one is adding the large numbers. See, one digit numbers or two digit numbers. Adding is pretty simple for us, right? So here, if we have numbers which are having three digits, so how to do the addition in a simple way? Let us see. This method shows how to simplify the process by making all the numbers a multiple of 10. So here the simple thing, like I have taken a small example, that is 644 plus 238. Okay, the first step what you have to do here is 644, you have to round up to the nearest tens. Okay, so 44 and 38, so you have to round up to the nearest tens. So here 644 I have rounded up to 650, and 638 I have rounded up to 238 I have rounded up to 240. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to add these rounded up numbers, that is 650 plus 240, you'll be getting the answer as 890. Okay, now, so what is the number that you have added to the exact number, that is 644, we have rounded up to 650, right? So what is the number that we have added to make it as 650? That is nothing but 650 minus 644, you'll be getting 6. And 240 minus 238, so we have rounded up 238 to 240, right? So 240 minus, you have to do that exact number, that is original number 238, you will be getting 2. Okay, now the numbers which you have got here, 6 and 2. Now you have to add both these numbers, 6 and 2, the answer is 8. Okay, now what you have to do is to find the answer of the original equation, that is 644 and 238. What you have to do is the total, when you added 650 and 240, got the answer as 890, right? So you have to subtract this 8 from that number, that is 890 minus 8, that is 882. So this is the answer of 644 plus 238. Okay, children? Yeah. Next one is percentage. This is also simple example. If you wanted to find out the 5% of 235, so what you have to do is first you move the decimal point to before one digit, that is before one place. 235 becomes 23.5, right? So next you have to divide 23.5 by 2, then you'll get the answer as 11.75. Okay, that is the answer, which is nothing but the 5% of 235. Now, 10 times and 11 times tricks. Here, 10 times is nothing but for any number, if you want to get the 10 times of that number, what you have to do? Just you have to write a 0 at end of that number. That is nothing but the trick to multiplying any number by 10 is to add a 0 to end of the number. For example, 62 into 10 is equal to 620. Okay, this is very simple, right? So when you are multiplying any number with 11, suppose see here I have taken the example of 11 and 25. Okay, so here 25, what you have to do is you have to write 25 by giving a space in between those two numbers. Like see, below I have given 2 and 5, and middle I have given a small blank. Okay, can you see? Yeah, now what you have to do is you have to add 2 and 5. When you add 2 and 5, what is the answer? That is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. So this is the answer. When you are multiplying 11 and 25, the answer will be 275. So this is very simple. Okay, sometimes see what happens when you are adding. See 2 and 5, when you add, you are getting 7. Okay, that is also a single digit number. Suppose the next example, I have taken 11 into 88. So how to do this? So here 8 and 8. When you add this, you will be getting a double digit number. 8 plus 8, that is nothing but 16. So what you have to do is you have to write 6 in the middle and carry over that one in the next hundreds place, that is 8 plus 1, you'll get 9, so 968. So the answer for 11 into 88 is 968. Okay, got it children? Yeah, next one is division tricks. So children, here just I have given the division tricks for each and every number, how to find out whether a number is exactly divisible by the given particular numbers. Okay, but for this I'm like planning to do one more video for this, don't worry, just you follow these tricks for now. 10 if the number ends in 0. So whenever you are having a last digit as 0, it is definitely exactly divisible by 10. Next, coming to 9, when the digits are added together and the total is evenly divisible by 9. So what you have to do is, if any number is given and if you wanted to find out whether it is divisible by 9 or not, you have to add all the digits and you can check whether you are getting that as a divisible by 9 or not. Okay, that is simple one. Next, 8 if the last three digits are evenly divisible by 8 or 000. If you are having the last three digits as 000, or else the last three digits for any larger number, the last three digits you have to check. If they are divisible by 8, then the complete number is divisible by 8. Next, 6 if it is even number and when the digits are added together, the answer is evenly divisible by 3. So here what you have to do is, if it is an even number and the digits, all the digits whenever you are adding, it should be divisible by 3. Then it will be divisible by 6. 5 is nothing but it ends with 0 or 5. Whatever the number you are having, the last digit is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Next, 4 if it ends with 0 or two digit numbers, that is similarly divisible by 4. So the last two digits we have to check here. If it is divisible by 4, then it is completely divisible by 4. Okay. Next, 3 when the digits are added together, result is evenly divisible by 3. So here you can just cross check. The divisibility rule for 9 and 3 are same. All the digits should be divisible by 3 here. And 2 if it is having the last digits as 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So these are the divisibility rules. Next, coming to the multiplying 5 times any number. So if you want to multiply any number with 5, okay, how to get the answer? So here also I'm taking a simple numbers to get a good clarity for yourself. Okay, just you can try with the more complex numbers. So what you have to do here is, first I have taken the example of 5 into 4. So first what you have to do is, first take the number being multiplied by 5 and cut it into half. So 4 I am taking, which should I should multiply with 5, right? So make half of that. Half of 4 is nothing but 2. Okay, then next, add a 0 to the number and find the answer. That's all. Whatever the number I'm getting as answer, where I'm making the half of that, that is 2, and I have to write a simple 0 beside that. That is the answer. That is 5 into 4 is equal to 20. That's all. Next one, when you are having a number which is odd number, then if you have to multiply with 5, then what you have to do is subtract 1 from the number being multiplied by 5. That is 1 from 3 you have to subtract. Then you will get the answer as 2. Now what you have to do is half the number 2, which makes half of 2 is what? 1. Then make 5 last digit number. So make 5 as a largest number. So what you will get? The number produced is 15. So here you'll get the answer as 5 into 3 is 15. This is a simple, children. Again, I'm telling, I have taken a simple example to get a clear explanation for you. Just try these with all other examples, whatever you want. Okay, these are the tricks we can follow. So children, I hope these tricks will be very much useful for you while solving the problems and all in a quick method, and to reduce your time and all. Okay, I hope children this video will be very useful for you, and if you like this video, just like, share, and subscribe my channel. And I'm going to give you more knowledge, like depending on what are you are looking further. Okay, hope so I'll be creating more such videos which are helpful for everyone in the, like, okay, in your daily works and all. Okay, okay children, have a nice day. Bye bye, thank you.